Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ubak prestun tensong, ubalong usembut Menteri Rangba juga jela, ubabat ikatnat kampo iyeng, ulaong ba omde setia ke Sorkar ke Phah Notis ya General Secretary kam Publicity Secretary ke Sengking atiar Neutrap Liberation Council upasan kupar nong terau. Hendrai ya ke Notis la Phah da ke Kashari. Hak jinga kran wigila patai kubor hak sautri unai luar arjar pulai. Ubak prestun la kerpat da ke Hnlc bahkan simkia ya ke jinga kran esok ke Sorkar, bat ke kwa bagi noi lambah khmat jong ni ke kunhun kiri banwan syahmat, bat ongru Bakim day ban kuslai jingbon alor kanotes belapan mi da Kashari.
Crime is crime. I don't know what do you mean by saying heinous. See, crime is crime, whether big or small, but crime is crime and it is subjected to the law. So why should you ask that question? That's what I'm saying. The law takes its own course. When there is any criminal activities, we have to do it, and there is no way out for that. As far as Hnlc talk is concerned, I would like to assure them once again, I would like to also request all of them, especially the senior leaders, please come forward. We are waiting for you, both central and the state government, for the talks that we would like to have. So we are waiting for them. We are waiting from their side only. We have already communicated to them. So the ball is now in their court. That's what I'm telling you. The government is waiting for them to reply and fix. And we would like also in the next talk that at least secretary or maybe chairman should also be present in the talk. Let me make it very clear. It is not the government who issued the notice. This is the normal process of the court. Judiciary and executive is already separated. I think you understand that. But see, we had a formal talk just once. And in fact, from our side, from both from the central government and the state government, we have requested them, please speed up. What are the issues you wanted for discussion? We are waiting for that. In fact, my appeal to all of them, once again to Hnlc leaders, be serious, come up, we are waiting for you, then we discuss. Because as I said to you, they should not be so panicky about the warrant issued by the court, the summon issued by the court. This is a normal process, as I said to you. That's why we would like to process the sitting at the earliest possible. Then we will work out all these issues. Pi kata ngong pi hakatu ke meeting kam nukong ngila ya keren ni kini kie ni ong lu bangin ya keren bat ki bor ke bakam halor. Mendai ben ong tangi tu vice chairman la ni kini kita. Ni kwa ben keren lu ki bor ke halor. They lucky long serious ni kwa banong ba so ba ni the government both central and state government ni long serious ba but kebangan kerpat nak liang jong Sorkar long ba so ba I can decision communicate changi lengba utu lingman jong ki but lengba lingman jong we are ready for the sitting in the days to come. See, it has not come officially for the debate, be it in the parliament or be it in the state assembly. So I can't comment anything on that. But of course, my personal opinion is if we have one election, one nation, I think we'll be able to save a lot of time. We will be able to save a lot of funds, and we'll be also able to save a lot of manpower where we need to ultimately once you have election, you understand, even model code of conduct has to be implemented every 6 months or every 7 months, which ultimately it affects the overall developmental program of be it the central government or the state government.